I want to do what I have given the name of live stream design. Live stream design is where a designer is creating a new design, and the designer does this in a live stream video. And this particular pattern that comes from this probably 9th or 10th century brooch that belonged to some wealthy woman in the Uppland region in Sweden in the beginning of the Viking Age. And I have created a color scheme for this scarf. So as you can see, this is pretty much different from those two that I have already. So this will be the third scarf with this particular pattern. Creating a design like this in a live streaming video in real time. This is happening now. If I say something stupid, it's out. It's out there. This is a live video. I can't say, oops, let's rewind and let's edit this. I can't edit anything. I'm talking to you now. This is happening now. It's 10:04 p.m. in New York on December 30 of 2017. I'm going to fetch this color here and add this, the entire layer where the original pattern is, and I am cutting this out. Those extra accents, I created them in its own layer, so I'm also cutting that away. What we need here is a little bit of light and shadows to kind of bring out the three-dimensional aspect of this. This is the first time I do this, actually, in a live video. Select those. Here they come. Now they pop out. And I cut this out. Now we want to have light. Now we are going to the animal on the right. This is the third animal that we were looking at here. We see that this is the head, the red here, that's here. And here, down here to the right, we see those two front legs, and we see them here, here. And here we can see them, and voila. Now, since this is all in its own layers, I can turn this on and off, the color scheme that I had created. This is how it looks like. As you can see, the other two scarves that I had already designed, here is the blood red sunset over Kattegat and the winter Viking. We are headed for something quite different here. I'm putting on the colors that will end up as the outlines. Okay, I think this is enough. Here this pops out. Bingo. Make this a little bit smaller. Something like this. There is a border running around this now. People will feel that something is happening. This blue color here. And now you start seeing what is going on here. I inverse this and then I simply cut it. How is this? I'm trying to do this a bit fast here, and of course I should be here with a motor mouth telling jokes. Inverse this. As you can see, this is a template. You see how this pops out? I can turn this on and off, on and off. We can turn on the lights and off, as you can see here. This is getting, I think, pretty much in the right direction. Now the only question is about the outlines. Maybe here, here, here even. So what we are actually creating here is a scarf, and a scarf is a luxury product. So you are watching here something that normally is not shown openly, as I'm doing here. Normally, there is a designer who is sitting somewhere alone, and doing this, and now you see it. Cut it out. Now you can see the outlines here, and I can turn them on and off as with all the others. Is it better or is it worse with these outlines? Add the background. Let's see how that comes out. The Vikings were the seafaring, an ocean as a background. Now I can, of course, do it something like this. Even more and even more. Let's see if we can play around with the background color. Is there a different color that is better? I'm not so sure about that. We can turn it around like this. Is this better? Is this better? Yeah, I think this is actually better. I'm fetching here the logo. Now this is red, as we can see here. Let's see if we can find a better color for this. I am uploading that up on the website of the company that makes these scarves. That is a company in Canada. So just now, just in a few minutes from now, the new design that we were creating live will be available. We are back to the Look Viking website. These are all the scarves. These two are the scarves that I was showing you with the same pattern. And here it is. The first scarf, except I need to give it a little bit better name. And let's refresh this. Yes, now the name is correct. You have seen here the first live stream design session where an actual luxury product is created in a live stream session. Thank you very much.